There are a lot of things you should not do during your Zoom hearing, and some of these are going to sound like jokes. But trust me, based on my experiences, the experiences I'm hearing from colleagues, these are things that people are doing that people should not do. You shouldn't be cooking. You shouldn't be cleaning. You shouldn't be laying in bed. You shouldn't be disciplining your children. You shouldn't be having side conversations with anyone that's not presently at your hearing. You don't want to do things that will make people judge you negatively unnecessarily. You want to minimize the opportunities for people to dislike you or prejudge you in a manner that you would not prefer. Ideally, you want to keep your Zoom information on hand. Sometimes the court has difficulties with the hearings and you might get kicked out. You don't want to have to scramble for your Zoom information. You want to be able to easily pull it up on your phone or a notepad where you wrote the information down previously so that you can log on as soon as possible. Typically, if you were having a hearing in court and you had an attorney with you, your attorney would let you know how to communicate with them. You would either go into a side room or you would write notes on a notepad to make, conversation while you're in a very quiet courtroom. Because you may be in a completely different location than your attorney, it's important to have a method set up where you can actually communicate with your attorney in real time, or at least as close to real time as possible. You might have a messaging system, or you might even text your attorney, or your attorney could tell you in advance that if they specifically request to speak with you, make sure you cut your video off, your sound off, and they'll call you on a certain number so that you can have a dialogue and move on with your case as smoothly as possible in light of the fact that your hearing is happening virtually.
Don't forget to subscribe and check the link in our bio for future updates.